Good morning, guys. Good morning, my dear class. This is Rishabh here. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Well, without wasting time, let's come on the topic. Many of you, actually, I think all of you, already know about this topic. So, our today's topic is tense, and its Hindi meaning is kal. As you can see in the picture, tense means kal. And first we go on the definition: a form of verb that shows if something happens in the past, present, or future. A form of verb that shows if something happens in the past and future. It means वर्ब की वह फॉर्म जो हमें ये बताती है कि कार्य पास्ट मीन्स भूत मतलब बीता हुआ कल, प्रेजेंट मीन्स वर्तमान, एंड फ्यूचर या भविष्य में हुआ है या हुआ था या होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड काल. देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंस: प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड future tense. So firstly we will start with present tense. Hindi meaning vartaman kal. Present tense is very simple, as I am telling you, as I am teaching you now, that is also in present tense. It means the tense express an action that is currently going on. As you can see in the picture, you can see the definition. This tense express an action that is currently going on. It Hindi means is वह टेंस जो आपका एक्शन दिखाता है जो अभी चल रहा है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेजेंट टेंस, वर्तमान काल. ओके, सो इट्स ओनली प्रेजेंट टेंस and its identity, or you can say identity, is the like in the last of the sentence. In Hindi meaning, in the last of the sentence there will be है. For example, वह कानपुर जाता है, he goes to Kanpur. It's like simple present tense. So now present tense. In present tense we have so many parts. I will firstly tell you there are 4 parts: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. There are 4 parts: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So firstly we will start with present indefinite tense. Hindi means vartaman kal. So its identity is ता है, ती है, ते है एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. मतलब आइडेंटिटी का मतलब हमें पहचानना कैसे है कि ये सेंटेंस हमारा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में है. हम कैसे पहचानेंगे? सेंटेंस के लास्ट में ता है, ती है, ते है दिया होगा तो उस टेंस को हम लोग प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस बोलेंगे. सो नाउ कमिंग ऑन द टॉपिक प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. Formula for present indefinite tense: affirmative. It's for affirmative, not for every sentence. It's for its formula for present indefinite affirmative sentences. So firstly, subject plus verb first form plus s या es plus object. Focus on this topic: s or es. We will use s or s or es with the verb, but only with few cases. For example, we will use s or es only with singular subjects. So s or es is basically depend on the subject. Either the subject is singular or plural. So if the sentence will be singular, then we will use s or es in the verb first form. And what are the singular subjects? Like he, she, it, some name, any person name, anything name. These are our singular subjects. So just take a look out of all the pictures. I will just repeat the every session. So firstly, the tense Hindi means kal. Kal, a form of verb that shows if something happens in the past, present, and future. जो वह फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब की वह क्रिया जो ये दिखाती है कि कार्य हुआ है पास्ट में, प्रेजेंट में और फ्यूचर में। 3 टाइप ऑफ टेंस होते हैं, प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस। फर्स्टली वी आर गोइंग ऑन प्रेजेंट टेंस। प्रेजेंट टेंस हिंदी मीन्स वर्तमान काल, एंड दिस टेंस एक्सप्रेस द एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग करेंटली। मीन्स जो अभी चल रहा होता है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में आता है। आइडेंटिटी प्रेजेंट टेंस के सारे सेंटेंसेस के लास्ट में है ही आएगा, और कोई वर्ब नहीं आ सकता, और कोई वर्ड नहीं आ सकता, सेंटेंस के लास्ट में है ही आएगा। सो फर्स्ट इज प्रेजेंट इन डेफिनिट टेंस। आइडेंटिटी ता है, ती है, ते है एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस। एंड for present indefinite affirmative, there is a formula: subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. And the basic thing of the using of s or es is s or es only used with singular subjects like he, she, it. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys listen it clearly. I hope you guys just do everything properly in proper manner, and that's also your homework to write it properly. And after the when will our school will reopen, I will personally check your homework. It's like a homework. I will personally check all these things, and just focus. You mean all the things are clear, and if there is any problem, is there any difficulty, then you can personally contact me. Thank you so much class for joining me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.